Okay, so in this short video we are going to find the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor of 48 and 120. And we're going to do this in two different ways. First one, we'll use a table of divisions. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write 48 and we're going to write 120, and we're just going to divide numbers into it. Now what we're going to do is find a number that goes into both. So 2 will go into 48, a half of 48 is 24, and 2 will go into 120, a half of 120 is 60. Look at your two numbers now, you've got 24 and 60. 2 will go into both. 2 12s are 24, and a half of 60 is 30. And you've now got 12 and 30. 2 will go into 12 6 times, 2 will go into 30 15 times. Keep it going. This time 2 doesn't go into both, but 3 does. Well done. So 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. Alright. Now, is there anything that goes into 2 that also goes into 5? Apart from 1, nothing will work. Alright. So that's as far as you can go. So what you're ending up with there is a list of numbers down the side and a couple of numbers on the bottom. And this is how this works. The highest common factor is equal to, and what you're looking for is, okay, it's a bit contrived I suppose, but these numbers here are higher up the side than the ones on the bottom. Yeah. So you've got these on the bottom and these are higher up. So the highest common factor is going to be 2 lots of 2 lots of 2 times 3. Okay, which is 8 times 3, which is 24. So what we're looking at there is that the highest common factor is found by looking at these numbers. Sorry, the pen's not working very well. These numbers here. There we go. Ready? Don't know what's happening here. It stopped working. My pen stopped working. Completely stopped. Alright. Here we go. Try again. Yay! Got it. Alright, so these orange ones are the ones that are higher up the side, and that gives you the highest common factor. Now the bit that we do like about this is the idea of the lowest common multiple. When the pen works. Here we go. Now in this one, this is a little more obvious. You can draw around them all and make an L shape. L for lower. Okay, L for lowest. So we've got LCM. What we're saying there now is then that the lowest common multiple, LCM. Okay, the pen's not working again. There you go, it's worked now. Alright, is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, those are the ones down the left hand side, then times 2, and then times 5. So the L shape gives you 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. Well, you know that the ones up the side are 24, and 2 times 5 is 10. So you end up with 240 as your lowest common multiple. Alright, so that one's done. The second method is a factor tree. Okay, and what happens with a factor tree is that it starts branching out, as it were. So what goes into 48? Well, we can have 2 24s. 2 is a prime number. Anything that goes into 24? Yep, 2 12s. And again, if you think of small prime numbers to start with, that works. 2 into 12 goes 6, and I'm branching out all the time, and then 2 into 6 goes 3. Alright, and you'll notice then that 48 must be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Alright, so that's 2 times 2 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 16s happen to be 48. Okay, do the same with the 120. Let's divide that by 2 because we can. Even number gives us 60. Even number, divide by 2, half of 60, 30. Even number, divide by 2, a half of 30, 15. 2 won't go into 15, but 3 will. And there's 5 3's. All of those are prime, circle them all, and you end up with then 120 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, alright. Now from here we're looking for highest common factor. So we're looking for common factors. Okay, well let's get the colours out again. Those two are common, they're the same there. We've got, so there's a 2 in each. Sorry. There we go. There's another 2 in each, which you can see next to it. There's another 2 in each. And there's a 3 in each. So what we're looking at here then is that we've got 1 2, another 2, another 2, and a 3 are all in both. Okay, that gives you, just as it did before, 24. Now the lowest common multiple, you notice how I've set them out there. Basically what we have to do is we have to get 48 into our number, and we have to get 120 into our number. So it's, in order for it to be 48, it has to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 again times 3. So there's your 48. Now in order to get 120 in there, you'd need 1 2 2 2s, 3 2s, which we've got. We need a 3, which we've got, and we'll need a 5. So we just add that 5 in there, or not add it in, we'll multiply that by 5 at the end there. And so we end up now with 3 5s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 2 30s are 60, 2 60s are 120, 2 lots of 120 is 240. Okay? Choose the method which you like the best and take it from there. Okay?